Hi, it's number 16. Hello and welcome. This week it's a short episode this week. It's a bit of a catch up, if I'm honest. So last episode I took the clutch and flywheel out, and that was quite a long, chunky episode. And while I was doing that, which took me 2 weekends to do, in the middle of that I actually did this that I'll show you today, which is taking the oil pan off the engine, giving it a clean, oil filter out, etc. Clean the engine up generally with a bit of degreaser. So that's what we're going to talk about today. You should be aware, just for clarity, that I'd already drained the engine oil way before doing this. So please watch and enjoy. Okay, got the engine on its side here, looking at the push rod tubes. They probably want replacing. I'll do new seals at the same time. So if we're replacing those push rods, we're definitely then taking the cylinders off. Yeah, it's filthy, isn't it? While engine on its side, I may as well take the oil filter out from here. I've got a catch-all tray. Yeah. A little bit of oil in there, not a lot. Oh, it's one of them double ones, look. Right then, oil filter out. Let me just get that rest of that out of there. The oil's pretty black, I've got to say. Pretty black. Yeah, I'm trying to get most of the oil out of this before I start to take this sump off, so good. And then I'll just put this back on. Yeah. Here we go. Let's get this sump off. And let's see what's inside. And then one of the first jobs we'll do is we'll clean up this sump, which is in the right minging state. So a 10mm socket on one of those should be relatively it is easy to use. Okay, so I'll give it a bit of a clean down first of all, and then I'll take it off, make it easy to handle. Can use our old friend the degreaser. Yep, and we'll We'll just give this a bit of a coat, leave it to soak for a bit. Oh, there's metal under there, look. So, we shall need plenty of elbow grease on this. As if we didn't know that. So, I left 2 bolts in. One, 2. It's on a gasket, of course, so that's going to hold it in place. And there you have it. That's not so bad, gunk-wise, you know. Seen worse than that. We'll do a couple of close-ups, I think. And then in this thing. It's not so bad. There are chunks in it, that's good news. So here's what the engine casing looks like before a clean and after. It's better, isn't it? So there's the after and there's the before. So there you go, making progress. Tune in next time and I promise to show you taking the cylinders off. See you then.